Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are at the Mercadona supermarket. Fresh milk, price €1.05. Kids juice, price €1.15. Naranja Sumo orange juice, price €1.20. Green tea, hair oil price burger ketchup, price €1.35. Mayonnaise, price also €1.35. Ketchup €3.10. Here all salsas and ketchups. Here all pans. We are using this one. Sitabe pan. Price €1.45. Mantequilla sin sal desi ghee, price €2. Here strawberry milk for kids, price €1.80. Mini toast rus, price 80 cents. Brown bread, price €1.25. Puff patty sheet, price €2.50. Here all sheets. Pizza sheet, price €2.40. Oats, price €1. Yogurt, price €1.05. Chocolates, they're all price, you can see. Price €1.50. Sweet yogurts for kids, sugar €1.35. Biscuits, liquid for dishwash, price €1.20. All liquids for cleaning. Room fresheners, €1.90. Sunflower oil, rice, salt, price 30 cents. Stuffed pan for vegetarian, €3. Cheese slice, price $2.30. They're done, all grocery. Let's go to the counter.